Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our bi-monthly Beem Box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with the Beem Box, I have to tell you, I was so impressed with the first unboxing. I'm excited about this one, okay? And the Beem Box is a bi-monthly box. Radiate, shine, and beam with makeup uniquely chosen for brown skin. Okay. Now their box is $39.95, and you will receive 6 boxes per year. Every other month you'll receive a beautiful box with a mix of luxury makeup and skincare, full-size items, all guaranteed to make you radiant, shine, and beam. And it says the Beem Box will include all types of products, from makeup to skincare to guess what? Skincare. Such as lipstick, eyeshadow palettes, liquid liner, mascara, makeup brushes, and much more. And will also include information on why they are great and just how to use them. Okay? Now, this month's box looks like this. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and see exactly what's inside. I haven't looked yet. I was waiting to check it out with you. And when we open up the box, it says, on the base, it says Beam from within. Radiate, shine, and beam. Our description card for this month says, I'm ready for my close-up. The Beem Box has arrived. Now, let's see what's going on here with these lights. Okay, here we go. All right, and it says what's inside. The very first item in our Beem Box this month is by Galactic. Okay, and this is the Precise Marker Liner, and it says favored by many with a Star Beauty Award behind it. The Precise Marker Liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat wing liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. Now, let's see what the tip of this liner, these liner tips are getting finer and finer. Look at that. Okay, now, let's just go ahead and see. All right, that's when we use just a little bit of pressure, and okay, that's when we add a little bit more pressure. Okay, the next item that we received is a detox charcoal mask. All right, and it's by the company Shady Beauty. Now, this says, this mask leaves skin smooth, enriched enriched and naturally exfoliated while providing a luxurious experience. This reinvigorating combination of clay and charcoal unveils a healthy glow by eliminating deep-set impurities and toxins. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this product is $38. Now I will have you know that this one is by a woman-owned business. That's one of the other things that I do like about the Beem Box. Each month they do feature at least one product that is by a woman-owned company. And this month it happens to be this one. This is also made in America. Now I already know this is going to be a product that I'm going to gladly use. So let's just pop it open and see. It says detoxifying charcoal wash. There we go, there's a texture. Now this jar is full to the brim, okay? So that is what this product looks like. You know, we're gonna have a I tried it out day, so we can talk about these products that we receive in our boxes, not just a try on of the makeup. Now, the next item that we have is a spotlight highlight. And I have one of these, so this will be going into a giveaway, future giveaway here on this channel. Okay, now this is what the packaging looks like, and it says this is an ultra concentrated multi-purpose liquid highlighter that allows you to customize your level of skin glow intensity. Wear it alone or mix it with a liquid or cream product. Receive 10% off when you shop Absolute New York using a code provided for the Beem Box subscribers. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $8. Now this particular shade is Copper Chestnut. Now, like I said, I do have this product, but I have so many highlighters, so many. And I believe this is the shade that I have, okay? It is nicely sealed, so look for this in an upcoming giveaway. All right, then the next item that we have is by Propa Beauty. This is also a woman-owned company, and it says this is a lip liner. The luminous satin lipstick collection from Propa Beauty features a variety of nude lipstick shades carefully crafted for those of us with darker skin tones. Let's take a look and see. Oh, their packaging is nice. A nice matte lipstick too. Oh my. This shade is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Let's just go ahead and swatch. Yes, I'm here for it. Here for it. Look at that. Beautiful. And it's really creamy, y'all. Really creamy. Okay, although it says lip liner, I am gathering that this is truly a lipstick, and it's in the shade Her Magic. Okay, Manufacturer suggested retail price of this beauty right here is $12. All right, now the last item that we have is actually a duo item. Okay, and it's by the company Moira. Every time I hear that, I think about a certain TV show my children watch, but anyway. Okay, and this is the Lucid Cream Shadow, and it says this eyeshadow delivers blendable soft cream gel formula with silky rich pigment. Our cream shadows glide on evenly using a brush, or for an incandescent finish, use your fingertips. Layer in infinite to create soft, subtle to bold and smoky eye looks. How about that? Now the first shade that I have is, okay, this is what it looks like outside of the plastic. And this shade is Serious? That's what it says. This one is Serious. I love this shade. And this one, Mars. And this is Mars right here. Let me tell you something. This light is actually doing a very good job showing up exactly what these shades look like. Now, I tell you what I'm going to do. Under normal circumstances, I would swatch them both. But this time I'm not going to. Since there are two, I'm going to keep one and give one, okay? So this will also be in a future giveaway. So let's just take this shade here and swatch it. Do I want to do that, or do I want, yes, we'll swatch this one. Woo! This is really gorgeous. Okay, so nice and creamy. That's what this shade looks like, and it went on beautifully, absolutely beautifully. And this is just one pass. All right, as it says, I'm ready for my close-up. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And I must admit, I am still liking this Beem Box. It wasn't a fluke that the first box was a good box. This one I think was pretty good as well. Right now, I'm not sure what my favorite product will be. So it's just gonna take a little checking into and using the product. So I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Hopefully I've shared some information with you that you did not have or did not know previously. Now, these are the products that were included in this month's Beem Box, as well as the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that are included in the box. Okay, now as usual, I thank you so very much. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.